No. This is what I get from sitting on metal. What's up, guys? I'm in my little trench I've been digging for about a year now. I'm not done yet. I know, surprise. Yeah, for my break right now, eating MRE, chili with beans. It's not that bad. Beans are kind of a little bit spicy. Yeah. Yeah, let me get my backpack, which has my drink, beverage in it. Beverage. Yeah. Since I didn't have really a water bottle, I had to go in there get a cup. And I got unlucky. My backpack's wet, which means it spilled. Yeah. This has all my water in it. I'm gonna use for my beverage. Yeah. I had to take a bite out of this stuff. It's pretty good. Pretty dang good. Oh, got spicy though. Oh no, did I not? I think I left the bag inside. 1 second. My beverage. I need my beverage. I forgot my beverage. Okay, guys, got it. Got it inside. That already packed it in. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Got cheese-filled crackers, pepperoni flavor pizza. Got vegetable crackers. Never, not good. Lemon lime flavored. Yep. Make my beverage in a minute. Got cheese spread. Did I forget my beverage bag? Okay, no, I'm eating first. I can make my beverage later. Remember, don't be an idiot like me. Don't forget your beverage bag to make your beverage. I'm an idiot. Man, this stuff's never that bad at all. Ah, no. It's on my pants. Yeah, that stuff's good. Ew, no. Hey, Bella, what do you want? Dog, go away, I'm eating, dog. Yeah, I got my military hat. Got my personal dog tags. Yeah. So it's good. That's my dog, Bella. She's a pit bull. Here, actually, I'm gonna let y'all look at her. Look at her looking at me. Oh, don't you dare! You're not jumping in here like you did last time. No! That dog's already jumped in here like 12 times. My bag! No! Bella, you can have the rest of this later on. I'm not sure if you like chili. I'm not sure she likes MREs. Go away. Listen, I know you. Oh, girl.
Here, looking.
Did you get my beverage bag?
No.
Oh, yeah, you got the fish sticks. But yeah, guys. Just some basic chili with beans. Never that bad. I love chili. Yeah, guys. Next time, well, I'll make my MRE out here, which will probably be like Monday, which is tomorrow. So, peace out, guys. MREs are good. Pretty good. Hey! Give me my crackers back! Man, that bird just took my crackers! Seriously? A bird took my crackers!
A bird took your crackers? Are you kidding me? How funny.
Seriously? I didn't get a single cracker out of there! Wish he took your cornbread. He took my second pack of crackers. I was saving those for later. I was saving those crackers for later, man. Okay, bye guys. Later on.